believing on the alien invasion. I believe that the aliens exist.
No, you are completely wrong.
I can easily prove that.
How? What are the evidences?
A cowboy was roaming in his ranch and he found some rare metal pieces which cannot be found on Earth.
But later, scientists discovered that that was a weather balloon.
But after that, an engineer named Grady L. Barney saw a UFO crashed and also saw some ugly looking aliens in them. And a nurse also told that she was called for the autopsy of a dead alien.
But then, why didn't the scientists reveal?
This is the point. The scientists do not reveal them. It is a top secret because the earthlings do not fear them.
So, we reached to a conclusion that some people believe in aliens